Regarding the cleaning of the dust press ball machine, we should carefully and real-time clean up the dust falling on the dust press ball machine, and careful dust removal should be carried out during the disassembly process, and it is strictly prohibited to invade the moving parts of the machine. Check the wear of triangle liner, bearing, screw, feed nozzle and other parts inside the body of the dust ball press, and clean it up, and replace the bearing grease. Check whether the bottom and safety bolts of the dust ball press are loose and tighten them. Open the inspection cover of the accelerator and check the gear fit and wear status. If we find that the oil pressure of the dust ball oil cylinder has a large pressure change, new oil should be injected in real time. If the oil pressure system of the dust ball press is found to leak oil during operation, it should be stopped immediately and then started after repairing the oil leak.